a lot of favor today because it makes you to stop very close to the farm. Normally, training always starts because, you know, yesterday I was saying that always make sure your farm is no more than 1 kilometer to the main road. Yeah. It's because of this drama. You know, this road was, half of the road that we travel was tarred before. Yeah. But in Nigeria with time, even if your road is tarred right now, eventually they will leave it to get damaged. And so your farm is too far. Imagine you have to drive 5 miles. My farm is on the other side of here, for 5 miles. And this is how the road is. So that's why I said to you, when I go to the farm, if I forget something, I'll come back. So that's why it's so important that you are planning to buy your land, try and make sure it's not too far from the main road. So that even if it's spoiled, it's still manageable. Because the further you have to go, the more difficult it's going to be for you. That means the amount of blood that they used to build this pen, you have been used to build one third of this pen. I said yesterday that your pen should not be higher than your umbilical cord. So you start by your pen, you can add the man, your pen should not be more than here. About 5 inches, depending on how high you are. So you put seeds, there's no hand gun, but the two disadvantage is that one, the ventilation you can see that even if it's very hot now, the wind cannot touch it. By making it 5 inches. But instead of just putting blocks in it and cementing, they cast it on top. I see they're cutting a bit, and that pushes the cost up. Now, they didn't call me when they're getting the pen, they only call me when they're about to get the pen. So I told them the next one they're going to bring, you don't need that. So one of the other things I do for you is that what you don't do, you can do it without you, but we will not add any value to your business.
It's not casting.
Exactly.
It's not casting.
It's not just casting, you don't need to cast it, just put block in it and cement it. Exactly.
Okay. Your thoughts on the curve blocks?
I normally recommend 9 inches block for 2 reasons. One, 9 inch block has more space inside, so they can put more to the on it. Two, when you are putting your gate, it's very difficult to put on 6 inches. It's easier to put on 9 inches. So that's why you do it. That's what 9 inches. Actually, the woman when what you want to do is that you want to plan your farm, and the way you there's a gentleman. Okay, where is this guy? The class rep. Manuel. We might put it in things. I need to give you a layout of the pig farm. Layout of the pig pen. In that pen, I'll tell you the dimension. You don't need it. You have it. That was what you have. I lay out the pig pen. I just give you a diagram that you use. Your winners, normally your winner pen should be separated. It should be about 20 by 30 feet. 20 by 30 feet. And so that means it will be from ear to ear, probably the same length. So that can occupy 20 piglets from childhood to market. Okay. What that does is that when people come to buy pigs, you only take them here. There's nothing they are doing here, when they're farrow, there's nothing around them. That's what they do. So you always build that one very close to the gate. So if I want to go and buy pig, I come here, the pig I want to go and buy, I don't go and watch zoo. So you don't need anything to do with winner. If I want to sell winner, I'll bring it to that front. So that your winner, so that your grow up of this, you do about, you have to wear all your pigs. And that's I was talking to a couple this morning. I tell the people when they were there. Who took me? There was a driver that took me. That brought me. Sorry, I didn't recognize them. So the next house you're going to build, you don't want to build any greater pen. That will be your greater pen. It's going to be grow up pen. Because for the winners that you have. That's why winner pen is where you're going to invest more money into, because that's where all the children will be staying. Like what's happening when you have 180 by the end of the year, that means you need, so if I say 20 by 13 can hold 20, that means you need about 6 of that. But the childhood, they will fit in, you can put that in a childhood when they're just small. But I always have to say that because they get comfortable and then they outgrow that space. And when things outgrow a space, they will not grow anymore. Because as we're here now, our heat of your body is affecting my heat. So if I'm here now, I will not be as hot I am now as if all of us are here. Because each of us are generating heat. And then too, that's what happens in their pen when all of them are together, they're generating heat. And it just makes them feel uncomfortable. So you stop growing. So you start drinking water instead of eating. That's why I thought I'm going to give you one of the reasons why our pigs don't go beyond 100 kg. But when they reach a certain weight, when pigs reach about 70 kg, okay, you know, I was telling you yesterday that you said your pig around 70, 80 kg. Nobody has asked me why not 100, why not 120. The reason is that if you look at the chart of growth of pig, it grows like this to reach 80. When they reach 80, something happens to the anatomy. They start producing more fat than muscle. As you produce more fat than muscle, you become more uncomfortable. You get more fat in your body. Some of us are feeling this age here more than some of you. I will not mention our names.
We know ourselves.
But if they lock us up in the freezer, the three of us will be the last one to die. Why? Because your body is not supposed to start using the food you eat. After that, start taking all your glucose that you saw in your is it liver? When it start taking your glucose in your body, after that, you start taking fat from our body. But because God has naturally endowed with excess fat, you will have more to take. With you, by the time you take for another 6 hours, probably you run out of fat. For some of us, 50 days later,
you do exercise.
you see, after that, but that's natural. So reverse is now when you are raising your feet. I'm saying that as funny, so you remember. But the reverse is the thing. So when they are in the place, they are too hot. They'll be uncomfortable. So instead of eating, they'll be drinking water. Now you don't grow because you drink water. You need water to grow, but you don't grow because you drink water. You grow because you eat food. So they drink more water. So you just say that between that 80 and 90, instead of this time when they reach 80, you don't take about nearly 10, 11 months to reach that 100. So to get that 30 kg or 20 kg extra, take you about 4 months after what it takes to get the 80. So the optimal big farmer, except there's a special demand for 100 kg and they're ready to pay you premium. That's what needs for you to keep your feet longer. And secondly, because it's 6 months, that means you can do 2 rounds on your farm. That means you are utilizing your farm maximally. So that's why. So on your farm, if there's a, I'm talking about this. If any one of you gets a contract with Julius Berger, Julius Berger is a German company, but they will not buy anything less than 100 kg from you. But they will pay about, even as far back as 5 years ago when I was selling them, they're paying about 120. 1,200. So for those ones, I'm saying this because I don't know where all of you come from. Everybody have different connections. But that's why I said ultimately is where you are selling to. So what I'm trying now, use the lower common number, thinking I'm going to sell it for 650. But if you find a market that will pay twice, even all this organic, somebody was mentioning organic yesterday. I said, no, organic is applicable if somebody's going to pay you 1,200. In fact, I'll turn on my plan to organic. So what I'm saying in essence is that your market ultimately determines what you produce. So that's why, as the owner, you start cannot be on the farm and still do the marketing very well. Because you can only do one thing at a time. So what I would advise is that you have some guys on the front that are keeping the hold, making the farm ready. The manager comes make sure the farm is okay, but you have to do footwork to find the feed. There's some job I don't send, even digging as close as you have to get down. When it comes to feed. Because that's where I'm going to spend a lot of money. It's because Pickett has got used to me now that he knows how I think and he can 100% and that's why he banned Mr. Giovanni from starting the farm. Even when I gave him authorization to go ahead with it, because he knows that if I'm on the ground, I'm not saying what he's saying. If I'm on the ground, I will not have allowed it. So he will not allow it, and because he knows the implication of it, and because the businessman as well, they will not allow some decisions to be made just for convenience or expediency. I don't want to. No, we will not allow it. Because at the end of the day, when things go wrong, you say, even I am the best consultant in Nigeria, and I'm not making profit. You don't know that you're the one that don't listen to this thing. That's why anywhere we work to, we try to make us. I try to be as expressive as this so you know what you need to do, but at the end of the day, like I was telling you the man that I work with, I tell him to do something, he doesn't want to. I tell him to do hydroponics, he doesn't want to do it. I did hydroponics. I make him to see the benefits of it and he wants it into it. So that's what I'm saying. Is that clear? Yeah. Okay, let's go.
So the weighing tool that you have or they have on the farm,
do you have steady scale in that? Yeah.